Happy Friday and welcome to 2M2X. Today we're going to be talking about disruption. But what does that mean exactly? A wave of disruption is a change in underlying technology or macroeconomics that forces an existing industry or the entire economy to make a choice. Get on board with adoption or get disrupted into obsolescence. You can think of some other waves that have happened in the past, such as moving from a physical retail experience to an online or e-commerce experience, or from a web-based, internet-only experience to a mobile-based experience. Each of these waves had one thing in common. Early adopters of these technologies were in a position to take market share from their competitors that were slow to adopt. The hard part is knowing how fast this is going to affect you. And here's the harder part. Waves are only getting faster and faster. In each of these waves, there were disrupted companies convincing themselves that they have long-term customers or they understand their business really well, which might have been true, but those efficiencies that the technologies created overcame the knowledge or domain expertise that the incumbents had. One such wave is artificial intelligence. For more details on some of these technologies, such as ChatGPT, go check out some of our past episodes. But this is not about whether you will be replaced by AI, but that you will be replaced by a human or a business that is AI enabled. So the only question you have to ask yourself is, how can I be AI enabled? That is the crucial question, because every business is different and every role within a business is different. So you must design the AI deployment to fit your profile to maximize the ROI for you. How do you do that? Check out Informally.com to learn more about how we can consult with you to design AI enablement that maximizes your specific domain expertise. So join us next time for our episode on how a deep understanding of use cases allows companies to design solutions, processes, and products better. See you then.